So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in default apps. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the top, you're going to type in .pdf. And now this will come up. You're going to click on this. And then once this comes up, you're going to select the application that comes up here. You now want to select Adobe Acrobat. And then click on set default. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to Adobe Acrobat. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on menu in the top left. Now you're going to click on help. Now you're going to click on check for updates. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Adobe Acrobat is fully up to date. If you have an update available, then you're going to click on download and install. This should now fix your problem. If not, then for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Adobe Acrobat. You're going to click on the three dots and then click on modify. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on next. And then you're going to click on repair and then click on next. And then you just want to follow through the steps that come up here to repair your Adobe Acrobat. And if that's still not working, then for the last method, you're going to click on remove and then click on next. Then you want to remove Adobe Acrobat. Then you just want to reinstall it again. You can reinstall it either from the website or from the Microsoft Store. Now hopefully one of these methods will now fix your problem.